Hey guys, Fluffy here with another Railblazer update. I've lost track on how many of these are there, but I'm trying to get as much as I can during Winterfest. But they added another tower. They worked on more sports over there, and there is track. Track. I repeat, there is track installed.
On the fence, we got Warriors, Cavs, and Bulls. If you manage to make 7 to 9 points, you get one of our blankets from up on the fence.
Track all over the place. But yeah, I think Winterfest is the place I can. It's like the one place where you can get everything, and it's really worth it just to come this early. Not only for like the tree lighting ceremony, of course, but for Railblazer. I mean, with the daytime and the sunset, you can practically see all the construction that's going on. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get a few different angles and see what I can do for you guys. But track, by the way, that track it's small. It really is small. But you know what? I just can't wait to ride it. So yeah, let's go get some different angles. Okay, here I am at angle 2, and as you can see, it's a much better angle over here. But they're actually stopping on track installation for just a little bit and starting to focus on the actual station, which I figure out, that's gonna be figuring out what the heck they're doing, because on the Railblazer cam, you can't really see what's happening now because there's 2 buildings in the way. But there's more track here, and there's more everything, really. Over by the demon sign, there's actually landscaping. There's footers, more track everywhere. This ride is gonna be awesome. I cannot wait. And then now, let's head on over to angle number 3. Angle number 3 is a peephole, and you can see all sorts of track, the supports and everything. Okay guys, so I failed to find another angle that could show a lot. But yeah, overall, there was a lot of progress over the past couple of weeks. Track installation, adding up another tower. It's been a lot, especially for Railblazer, because we have so much landscaping to do and everything. But if you guys want to stay tuned on more Railblazer updates, go to californiasgrayamerica.com and go to their live video, and you can probably see more. Honestly, we could probably see some more installation coming these next couple of days, possibly next couple of weeks, and we could really see this towering and getting a lot done and installed. But yeah, overall, just make sure you check out the website, because during the off season I won't be able to cover anything for you guys. So be sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, overall, this has been an unbelievable experience seeing this go vertical. It looks absolutely fantastic, and I'm sure it's going to look absolutely more fantastic when it actually comes to open. So yeah, anyways, my name is Fluffy, and I will see you guys later.